Hello everyone. This tutorial is going to be a bit tricky. It's going to be very good for everyone, and especially for those who want to export some, Excel kind of data. You may say tabular data in the form of table, but you don't have an Excel sheet like that. I mean, it's not in a sheet form. It's kind of image format. Just like here, I have found some tabular data. I just searched it and went through images. You can find it somewhere else, or maybe you can capture a screenshot. Let's say, for example, I'm going to capture this data. So this is a picture, and I'm going to copy this image. So copy image. I can press Control C, or maybe you can simply take a screenshot of the data like this. I can capture any data, let's say this much, like this, and you can press Control C to copy it, or maybe from here you can copy like that. So for example, I'm gonna copy this much data. It should be something like a table. It should not have a partial image, kind of like I'm gonna capture this much data. So I'm gonna press Control C, or I'm gonna copy here. Simply, I copied the screenshot, and what I'm gonna do is I'll open my Excel sheet, Microsoft Excel EXL. I'm going to press it and I'm going to open it. So I'm just clicking here, and I want this data to be into the table form, exact text. So what I'll do is I'll click over here, data. I'll press get data, and here from other sources. So I'm going to click over here from picture. Maybe you can upload if you've saved it. You can simply click it, or because I'll copy it here, simply on the clipboard, I'll press here. So we'll analyze the data. It's extracting the tabular data in the form of text. So here you can find it here. It's a data. If some warning is there, it will show up in red color, but it extracted exactly as it is. In case it doesn't find data like it is low confidence cells, so it will show up. It will pop up. It will show up here in the red color, or maybe you can say highlighted cells will be there, and you can correct them by clicking over there. Now, because you're ready to accept, so simply press Insert Data. That's again warning you that you're responsible for validating of the accuracy of all data. So of course, because I validated, I checked it. So simply click Insert, and now I got it. So this is in the form of table. You can copy, Control C, Control V, anywhere you can copy this. This is a text editable format. So like that, you may export this data. Thanks for watching the tutorial. Bye bye. See you in the next video.